If you're experiencing billing issues with Dashlane Business, follow these steps to resolve them quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Check your billing information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review recent transactions. Look through your recent transactions to identify any discrepancies. Check for any unexpected charges or failed payments that could indicate a problem with your account. Step 3. Contact customer support. If you find any issues or if your billing information is correct but the problem persists, reach out to Dashlane's customer support. Use the support chat or email options available on their website for prompt response. Step 4. Provide necessary documentation. When contacting support, be prepared to provide any necessary documentation that may help resolve the issue. This could include screenshots of errors, transaction history, or confirmation emails related to your account. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your inquiry, keep track of your request and follow up if you do not receive a response within the expected timeframe. Persistence can help ensure your issue is addressed quickly. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve any billing issues you encounter with Dashlane Business. Don't hesitate to reach out for help if needed, as customer support is there to assist you.